Venus, Earth's mysterious twin. Hidden beneath thick clouds of sulfuric acid lies a world we couldn't see, until now. In 1974, NASA's Mariner 10 became the first spacecraft to give us a close-up look at Venus. Its mission? Study Mercury, but it made a historic stop by Venus on the way. As Mariner 10 flew by, it snapped stunning images of Venus's cloud tops. While the surface was still a mystery, this was the first time we saw the planet up close. But just a year later, in 1975, the Soviet Union did what no one thought possible. They landed Venera 9 on Venus. Battling crushing pressure and blistering heat, Venera 9 survived long enough to transmit the first images from Venus's surface. For the first time, humanity had eyes on this alien world. The pictures were rough, black and white, but they revealed a rocky, barren world. Venus wasn't the lush paradise some imagined. It was a hellscape. Later missions like Venera 13 and 14 brought back even more detailed images. Although the spacecraft only survived minutes in the extreme heat, they forever changed our understanding of Venus. These missions, first with NASA's Mariner 10 and then the Soviet Venera series, gave us our first glimpses of a planet shrouded in mystery. And today, they inspire future missions to explore even deeper. Want to know what the future holds for Venus exploration? Subscribe for more stories of space, facts, and beyond, here on QuickType Stories.